In this quick guide, you'll learn how to buy the S&P 500 on Trading 212. Whether you're new to investing or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from your App Store. Once you have the app open, navigate to the search section. This is your starting point for finding all available investment options. Next, in the search bar, type in S&P 500. This will bring up a list of several S&P 500 ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These ETFs are designed to track the performance of the S&P 500 index, offering you a convenient way to invest in a broad range of companies. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the ETF that you want to invest in. It's important to read through the details of each option, as they may have different management fees or dividend yields. After you've selected your preferred S&P 500 ETF, tap on it to open the investment page. Here, you'll see more information about the ETF, including its current price and performance history. When you're ready to proceed, tap the Buy button. This will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to invest. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover this purchase. Once you've entered the amount, you'll need to choose your order type. Trading 212 offers several options such as market, limit, and stop orders. A market order will buy the ETF at the current market price. A limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay, and a stop order can be used to trigger a purchase once the ETF reaches a certain price. Consider which option best suits your investment strategy. Before finalizing your purchase, tap Review Order. This step allows you to double-check all the details, including the ETF you're buying, the amount, and the order type. It's always a good idea to take a moment to ensure everything is correct, as this will help prevent any unintended transactions. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Send Buy Order. This final step submits your order for processing. Once the order is complete, you'll own a piece of the S&P 500 through your chosen ETF. And that's how you buy the S&P 500 on Trading 212. It's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Investing in the S&P 500 is a great way to diversify your portfolio, and with Trading 212, it's simpler than ever. Happy investing!